Are you tired of the same old boring cornbread at your holiday table? What if I told you there's a delicious savory twist to the cornbread muffins or cornbread that will blow you and your guests away this holiday season? Get ready to transform your holiday season with this incredible savory cornbread muffins recipe. Let's go. Okay, so let's go ahead and get our self-rising yellow cornmeal. And be sure to even this out. We're going to just plop that in there. We're going to take all-purpose flour. Why don't we go ahead and add some salt, will we? Can't forget the baking powder. And we're going to add a teeny tiny bit of sugar, just a teeny tiny bit, because these are savory. We want to balance out the flavors. Let's give this a good whisk. And we're just going to put 1 egg in here. 1 cup of full fat buttermilk, and buttermilk we use it to give it some of that tang. 1 tablespoon of sour cream, and this will help with some of the moisture as well as the buttermilk. It gives it a nice tender crumb, you know. Let's give this a nice whisk around. So after we have mixed these with the melted butter, we're going to put our dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. And we're just going to put a cup of mild cheddar cheese mixed in with about a tablespoon and a half of diced jalapenos. This is cheddar jalapeno cornbread muffins. And we're going to just take our fork and we're going to mix this just until combined. You don't want to over mix it. Okay, and after we mix the cheddar and the 1 to 2 tablespoons of diced jalapenos, we're going to spray our muffin pan with some Pam. So you're going to take about 2 tablespoons for each muffin tin. And if you're enjoying this video so far, I said you give us a thumbs up. We appreciate it, and it helps us get our videos out there. And we're just going to place this in the oven at 400 degrees for 13 to 15 minutes. All right, and here are our jalapeno cheddar savory cornbread muffins. And look at that, nice and golden. You can see the nice jalapeno, the baked cheddar baked on top. You can enjoy this with some honey if you would like. Kind of make a sweet and savory. All right, we're going to take a couple of these out. And look at that, the nice steam. And this is going to be awesome for whoever decides to make these for their Thanksgiving holiday. This smells wonderful too. All right, we're going to go ahead and we're going to cut right into this. I want to show you all what this looks like. And look at that. Nice cheddar jalapeno savory cornbread muffins. You can dip it in a little bit of that honey if you would like. Whatever way you like to enjoy yours, this is what makes it awesome. If this video was at all helpful to you, I ask that you go ahead and give us a thumbs up and press that like button. Also, comment down below. Are you going to try these savory cheddar jalapeno cornbread muffins? If you do, let us know how you like them. And please don't forget to ring that notification bell and check out our latest video uploads.